Alright, we got something, folks. Welcome back to another video on Mr. Blank's channel. We're catfishing on the Red River. Oh yeah, definitely. Oh. And my rod broke and there goes the fish. Like, why, man? Why do I do this to myself? Me, man. Sakes. So. That's why you should not cheap out and buy the right gear before you go catfishing. Not a walleye rod. Stay tuned for more. And we're on.
I gotta stay out of your line.
What do you got, Nathan?
I think we got a fish.
Really?
It's definitely a channel because I can feel it running. Give it about 4 minutes, it'll be absolutely pooped. We're just gonna kind of play it here. If it wants to bulldog on me, it will. There's one thing I've noticed about cats is they have energy and then all of a sudden they just are done. So I'm just gonna kind of wear them out a little bit, not too much, but just enough so we can get him in here and see how big he is. As soon as he gets to here, he's likely gonna run again, so I'm just gonna make sure my drag's set perfectly, because if it's tight, it's just gonna absolutely poop itself. He might be going into your line, which I'm not liking. Yep, right there, see? It just wants to run again, it knows it's going more towards shore. Now, I'm not forcing him in, but I'm not letting there be any loose line. I'm just making sure there's constant tension. See right there, usually as you see its back surface, it wants to start running again. So when you think it's done, it likely has a little bit more in it. So I'm just gonna kind of play with her here. I'll give it about another minute, maybe 2 minutes, and I'll probably be able to pick her up here. We don't have a net. It's not a very good thing not to have a net, but this is definitely a nice cat. Possibly right here. That is what I call a beautiful Red River Channel cat. Awesome. We're gonna get her on the bump board here. That is about a 34. He's just gonna make sure that he can see that. We can get a photo from the video, so he's gonna have to back up a lot, make sure the camera can see that. Yep, we're gonna get one more look at her. We're gonna get her back here. I'm not gonna step on my rod. I'm not gonna cut him up on any rocks here. She's good to go. Whew. Ladies and gentlemen, if you wanna know how to get ripped biceps, you just go catfishing. Whew. Right to the sunset here. The sunset maybe like half hour ago, and just like that. That's all it takes. I got nervous. You got a fish?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Actually?
Yeah.
Oh.
No.
Okay, Katie, just do what I did, okay?
Yeah.
Alrighty, guys. Well, like we said, as soon as it hits that time, everything likes to go down.
Cameraman's getting paid way too much.
Caden's not gonna break his rod, and if he does, it's gonna be...
I have a 7-foot medium. I broke my medium heavy, so I'm resorted to a medium. So I am really scared to break anything, because I will be down 3 rods in 1 summer. That is a personal record for me. Nathan, stop laughing. I can hear you laughing.
Okay, don't step on my thing, will you?
I'm kind of supporting my rod with my other hand here, because I'm so nervous this rod's gonna break.
I got your rod.
There's another nice channel cat. Not the size of Nathan's for sure. We're not gonna even measure this guy. We're just gonna get him right back. Kitty cat. Beautiful. Sun's just setting here. Awesome. Get him right back. Kind of found this sandy beach here so we can beautiful fish. Over here to get him stuff. There we go. Beautiful. Awesome. Boom. Double header, catfish at night, Lockport. Let's get another one. Boom.
Thank God you.
So you get a picture out of the video, eh?
Yeah.
That wasn't even close to the size of yours.
I don't know. Mine was 34.
Yours is 34.
Well, it's not.
That's a good cat, buddy.
Mine wasn't very, like, I don't know.
But both of them are fat, though. Even my small one was fat.
I love the Red River.
I love the Red River. We're coming here every Wednesday.
We're coming here on a Tuesday. I don't want to pass. Whoop. Bye, Smokey. Kill it. I'm a pull up interview a bagel. Oh, your phone is your phone was face down.
Oh, nice.
Oh. Is there a fish? Hello? No, we don't got a fish. It just fell. I think that the bite turned on, Caden. Yep. Lambs. Also, it's getting pretty dark. You don't want to bell? You sure?
Yeah, I might as well. I love this video.
Oh, you rod. Fish. Nice.
Chitty chitty bang. No, okay, no, we're not doing that again.
Okay.
Chitty chitty bang bang. What's up, folks? We got another one on.
Is it feeling better than the last one?
It's feeling squirmish, but heavier. That's for sure. We're hammering them on the chicken liver. Oh, never mind. Okay. Oh, don't do that. Maybe just like a little bit better than the last one. These pelicans eyeing down my catfish. Yeah, I think she's ready. Wow. Okay, she's not ready. Oh, there's a better one. Still fishing. Yeah, a little bit better than the last one, that's for sure. We'll probably measure this fish. Get right to the bump board. And it is a 33 3/4. So, 1/4 inch off of Nathan's fish. A beautiful fish. This thing is just full of weight, full of muscle. Pure muscle. Beautiful. We'll get it right back. Wow, just a wide body. Oh, girl. Oh, I'm soaked. I'm full of catfish slime and water. It's good. It's fun. I'm wet. We're having fun.
This is great. Okay, yeah, like I said, we need the headlamps.
Yeah.
Because now it's starting to get harder to film.
Bro.
Jeez. Oh, Caden, you rod, Caden. Caden, rod. Okay, snap, turn off.
Bro, I was mid-piss. My was still when I was coming back. You filming?
Yeah.
Well, I was trying to take a pee, and another like 5 minutes later, I'm hooked again. That's a good fish. My I was out when I was trying to come back and catch the fish here. Heard the old bells going. In the meantime, my bells are going. Okay, cut. Big old catfish. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you see that good? Awesome. Beautiful catfish. Probably another 34 maybe, something like that. Awesome. Just a beautiful fish. Awesome. Get him back in the water. There she goes.
Jeez,
that is the 4th catfish of the night.
You're schooling me right now.
Schooling you. The guy that broke a rod it's also catching the most fish, so I mean, I don't know how that works. What's going on, cameraman? I thought I was supposed to be a cameraman tonight. I was hired cameraman, now
Are you serious right now?
Stealing over your channel, buddy.
Okay.
Oh,
Cut.
There we go, now I feel it. I got my pole. No!
come off.
Came off! Oh, he took my hook.
What happened?
While we're here, so basically what we got, oh, the bead went into the egg sinker. Oh, didn't really do
Needs
it.
help with no.
Here guys, got an egg sinker, we got a swivel. There's supposed to be an 8/0 circle hook right here, but yeah, that's gone. Okay,
Watch my rod.
well, let's just get back to fishing, I guess.
What's up on my rod? I swear to God.
Just hear me out.
What's going on?
Well, we're fishing today. As you can tell by the sound of my bells, Christmas is coming early. Ah!
That was so funny.
That hurts. Barely hooked. Okay, we're just gonna showcase him here. I don't even know how big this is. It really hurt though.
I have a fish on.
We'll get a quick measurement.
Well,
Phone?
I have a fish on too. Oh my God, dude, this is insane.
Okay, this is a 30. I'm just gonna let her go.
30? Okay. Well, I have a fish on too, so I'm just gonna hold
Bye,
the
kitty.
rod.
Go away, kitty.
Grab the camera. Using 20-pound braid.
Are you in the game now?
Always mean I'm never out of the game. Freezing outdoors never making that.
Okay, cut that out, Nathan.
I'm swallowing bugs. Thumbnail.
Okay. You know what?
That's a big catfish. Holy crap, I can barely hold this thing. This is massive, bro.
Oh my goodness, good
Just
job, buddy.
Full of muscle. Okay, we'll get a measurement. Oh my God, another 34.
Bruh.
But 20 pounds, probably of pure muscle. Channel catfish. Oh, that looks good.
It looks fine, yeah.
Okay.
Considering our light circumstances.
Get it right back in the water. To grow to be that 35. Oh, just a fat fish. Fat, healthy fish.
What? Damn, squirrels is tackle man.
Coyotes. And there's the fifth, like 34-inch fish. We've been catching fish probably over 30 inches all night long, which is awesome.
Well, guys, you can call our trip whatever you want to call it, but you cannot call it uninteresting. It went down. Broke a rod, lost a lot of rigs, broke my reel, fixed my reel, lost line, a lot of swearing, a lot of cheering, a lot of what is going on, just a lot of mixed emotions today. But at the end of the day, cats were caught, and you know what? That's all we could do. I'm trying to make a majestic outro, but honestly, it's bedtime. Caden made us stay longer than I wanted to. I should be in bed right now. But, guess what happens with Caden. Like literally every single video. So guys, that is it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Well, we'll probably be back, I'm assuming, sometime in the future. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that bell notification so you will be notified when a new video comes out. I'm Nathan Blank, that is Caden Parisian, and we are signing off. Peace out.